Hello, my name is Gian Snyder Aparicio. Course Strategy Management. Grow number 12. Strategy Market Penetration. Market penetration is a measure how much customer use products or service compared to the estimated total market for that product or service. Market penetration can also be used to believe strategy used to estimate the market share of a particular product or service. Market penetration is also related to number of potential customers we have for a specific company product instead of competitive product. Implement technology channel for the projection of marketing. Only two tourists will come to the municipality after excellent quality products with their own brand. Evaluation we are the most demand to strategy than new customers. Thank you.